Hi, welcome to our 12th lesson. In this lesson, we will learn how to add an image to our web page. Adding images needs you to learn how to deal with paths, and learning how to deal with paths will help you in the future. If you want to call a CSS file, a JavaScript file, or any file you want to call, the first thing you need to learn is the image tag. You will find two attributes are automatically added with the image tag. The first attribute is the source of the image, and the second is the alternate text. The source is the place of the image. Adding an image from our computer or any website is one of the simplest things that we will learn. Let's add an image. We will copy the image link and paste it here. Then run the code. You will find the image added on your web page, as you can see. Now let's try to add an image from our computer. First, you have to add the image to the project file on your computer. Take a copy of the image name and paste it here. You will find the image added to your page. That's good for now. What are the errors that may face you when adding an image? The first thing is the extension like .png or .jpg. So it is important to write the image extension. The second error that may face you is when you make a folder that is named anything. I will name it images. So you need to call the image from the folder. You will write the name of the folder, then \. You will find that he automatically configures all the images inside this folder, so you can choose what you want. Let's say that inside the images folder, we divided the images into many folders, according to their place. Let's try it. I will make a folder inside the images folder, and I will name it main, and add the image inside this folder. To add this image, we will write images, \, then the name of the folder, inside the folder, which is the main folder. \, then the name of the image. This is how we enter the folders. That's for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.